fishing, man. All right, get up. Merry Fishmas. Why don't you get your gear on and meet me downstairs, okay?
It's so dark.
That's so dark, but we're gonna make it happen.
So, 24 feet, that's a school of fish right there. Should we we'll drill some more holes? Grab the deucer, follow me.
That fish right there.
Yeah, there's some fish on the bottom. So what you want to do is when we drop this down, we'll see it in a second. Come in the screen.
Doing
There
it.
you go.
Oh, there. Wait.
No, it's not fish. That's you.
Um.
Okay. You get down to the bottom.
You're not.
You don't want to be right on the bottom. So you're gonna jig it above it. Okay. Couple, just a little bit. So that's your weight, and that's your actual jig. Okay. And your jigs. See that? When that line comes up, that's coming for you. And you give it. Oh, there you go. You're gonna have a fish. I just felt the tug.
Yes.
Fish. Fish on. Oh, little Sonny. Just a little guy. But Lou, you're on the board. Out of the gate and on the board. See that green line? That's like 15 feet right here. Those are the fish. You gotta get your lure up above those guys. That's what you're after. Here, they're coming back. Get it above them. Just hold it above them. If you need to, you give it a little reel to get it above them. Yeah, and then you go hold it right above them and then wait for that little green line to come up to them, and then you wait for the tap and then set the hook. Not too big a jig. You don't want to pull it right away from them. Just want to tease them a little bit. There you go. It's coming up for you. They're coming hot for you. You're gonna get a bite. Just hang in there. See how it got real red? Feeling any taps?
Fish on.
Fish on. Told you, man. That's how it's done. Nice. Oh, little Sonny again. We got fooled.
This is practically bait.
It's practically bait. Go get another one. That's the stuff, though. That's how it's done. That's the idea.
I'm grooving about out 18 feet. That's where I'm killing it right now. They're just like boomerangs. They don't stop. One just came up to me. Oh my god. It's fish. Wherever I look, fish.
Cool.
Fish.
Nice. The bigger one?
Oh, he's big.
Nice. Take your time. You need to get the thing out? Oh, that's a nice Sonny, Lou.
Fish.
Flower?
Have you caught anything today?
I haven't even gotten my line in the water yet
know,
today,
I
man.
can
How many
do it.
fish is that now?
That's my fifth.
5th fish. Nice.
I think I'm catching up for the other.
day? Yeah, you're crushing me today. That far.
See, look.
It's probably gonna be a bigger Sonny.
It's literally. They don't.
That's insane.
They do
That
not
graph.
care.
You're gonna get hammered here in a second.
Fish.
I told you. Horse Lou. That is a big one. I told you the big ones will come up and nail it. Nice.
I'm gonna get a fish.
Come on, baby. Oh, he came right up. But I don't even have
Fish.
nice.
Just look at my graph right now, please.
Nice. Got another one. Merry Fishmas.
That would be my 7th. And that would be your 0.
Yep, 7-0.
Louie is in the game. Maybe next time I'll put the you can put the fish in your hole. You have better luck.
Fish on. Merry Fishmas.
And a happy new year. I thought that was the rod that I was using that wasn't working.
No, this is the bigger version. Check the. Holy buckets, Lou! Holy buckets! Look at this. This guy's been on there all day. I didn't even know that he took it.
I'm changing rods.
This had a crappie minnow on it.
Great, I'm putting one on.
Wow, this is like the biggest guy yet. Look at this.
It's like 9 inches.
Look.
That is what my dad had on the line for.
Boom.
I don't know how.
Just been hanging out there. I'm gonna let him go. Merry fish.
You know what I'm gonna do when I get home? I'm gonna turn on the fire and lay by the fire all day long. And I've attracted the fish eyes again. Half the bottom just moved up to me. Fish on.
Down. Nice.
We're back in the car. Very cold. It's -5. We wish you a Merry Fishmas and a Happy New Year. Oh my God! Just look. They just come up for it. When they see my lure, they just come up. I've never been ice fishing in this cold weather. I don't think we should ever go this cold again. And stop. Now we're gonna get one right this second. I'm saying if it's warmer than 10 degrees, I'll go. I found the mother lode. I'm not doing this again. It's this cold. It ruins the point of ice fishing.